We're going to look at how we apply a shape tween in this exercise. Just to kick things off, I've made a border which goes out to 50 frames, as we can see here. I've made a blank layer where I'm going to put my shape in. I've called that shape change. So if you go ahead and do similar before we start this exercise. Okay, I'm going to choose the rectangle tool, make sure I'm on the shape change layer, just simply draw a rectangle. There we are. What we're going to do now is we're going to go out to frame 25 and insert a keyframe. Now normally we would have converted our rectangle to a symbol. We're not going to do that here if we want the shape tween to work. So frame 25, insert a keyframe, and at that point I'm then going to delete the rectangle. From there I'm going to choose the oval tool. Now I may just decide to change the fill color there, and I'm now going to draw roughly where the rectangle was, our circle. So frame 1, frame 25, and of course everything in between is showing the original rectangle. It should be pretty straightforward to see what we do here. Right click and we create, instead of a classic tween, a shape tween, and you can already see what's happening here. And if we show that in the browser, then there we go. There's our shape tween working. Really pretty straightforward. Okay, let's go back to Flash, and in frame 50 let's insert another keyframe, and we're going to make another change. So again, we're going to take our circle this time and delete that out. I'm going to choose the Polystar tool. Now the Polystar tool has settings here. If I click on the options, then I'm going to make it, say, 6 sides, and I'm going to change from a polygon to a star. You can do whatever you want with this. Click OK. Let's change the color again, and I'm going to move to a completely different part of the screen here. We draw that, and the exact same thing, don't convert to a symbol. If we come down, if we click and create a shape tween, and if we test in the browser, then we can see what's happening. So that gives us the basis for creating some pretty cool effects in Flash using shape tweens.